Nick, a curious black cat, embarked on a cross-country adventure, leaving his cozy home behind. At a bustling truck stop, he slipped away from his owner's watchful eye, finding himself lost in a sea of unfamiliar sights and sounds. Alone and uncertain, Nick padded through strange neighborhoods until he encountered a wise old tabby, a playful Siamese, and a scrappy alley cat. This unlikely feline crew became his traveling companions, guiding him across bustling cities, sprawling farmlands, and winding mountain roads. Together, they navigated busy highways, hitched rides on freight trains, and even sailed down a lazy river on a makeshift raft. And when Nick's frantic owner finally spotted him at a roadside diner, their reunion was more than just a happy ending. It was a testament to the unbreakable bonds forged on the open road and the unexpected friendships that make any journey worthwhile.